I've been meaning to film this second part of the video for quite some time, but I have been sick for the longest time, and I am still sick. You can probably hear it. And so I have been forced to wear these locks for a lot longer than I thought I was going to, which for you is actually quite a good thing because it meant I got to really road test these locks. I've had them in for 2 months, and to say that I'm impressed about how they've lasted is an understatement. For me, hairstyles are all about quick and easy. No maintenance. I do not want to maintain. With my no maintenance philosophy in mind, I did not do anything to these locks. I did not trim, cut away flyaways, nothing. I literally installed the hair and then just wore it. I didn't even bother with a scarf at night. That is why I'm so impressed, because look, all the strands are still separated. It's incredible. They have not stuck together. I mean, how? That's so cool. That's really impressive. Here is a close-up of the ends of the hair. I thought with the texture of the hair being so marley, kinky, that it's going to be looking really rough within a short space of time. It did not. One thing that's definitely contributed to the way in which it's maintained its look is the fact that it blends so effortlessly with my natural hair. And choosing not to super define my edges was probably the best choice I made. So at least I did one thing right when I installed it. I've definitely enjoyed the versatility of styling, up, down, twists, all sorts of things. It's been so easy to style. It's a winner. While you're here, just press that red subscribe button to not miss out on any future videos that I make.